Hello, my name is Charlie Mongoho. My major is Network Design and Management from Western Governors University. I'm a Microsoft Certified Engineer with more than 15 years of experience in network implementation, management, and administration. My paper today on the subject is SSL VPN implementation. Well, let's start. Hello audience, and I hope you all got this handout and all these images. Alright, my point is the company name is Digital Health and the attire is pajama and the time is 5:30 a.m. in the morning. The location is home and the work is to transfer encrypted secure data to the company network. So how can we do that? The question is, how can we securely send the data over the network? So let's discuss a little bit about SSL VPN. What is SSL VPN? SSL VPN stands for Secure Socket Layer Virtual Private Network. What it does is it creates a virtual tunnel over the internet to send data securely. What are the technologies involved in SSL VPNs? One of the technology involved in SSL VPN is encryption. What is encryption? Encryption is simply putting the data in a format that nobody else can use except the person who has the codes to decrypt the encrypted data. Let's look at the exhibit number 1 here regarding the public key encryption. Does everyone have this exhibit? Thank you. So we have here the data coming from the computer being encrypted using a key and going to the internet and being decrypted on the other side, and the recipient can then read the data. Another technology involved in SSL technology, in SSL VPN technology, is authentication. We have two forms of authentication. We have mutual authentication, where two parties authenticate each other, and we have the two-factor authentication, where the user use something they know and something they have. Let's say you use a bank card and an ATM machine. Use the PIN and you use the card that you have. That's a two-factor authentication. And we have different algorithms involved in SSL VPN. We have the DES, or Data Encryption Standard. We have the TripleDES, which is the Triple Data Encryption Standard. We have IDEA, which is International Data Encryption. We have Blowfish. We have RC5. And you can go over the paper that I just distributed, and you have all the definitions right there. So SSL, what is it? SSL is Secure Socket Layer, as we said. What it does is it encrypts data using the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is HTTP in short. This is the protocol used over your Internet Explorer browser. And on the topic here, we have little idea about what SSL does. You see here an SSL client, which is your browser, and you have the SSL server, and the data goes back and forth in an encrypted format. And now, what is SSL VPN in itself? SSL VPN uses a combination of SSL and VPN to send data, encrypted data over a tunnel created virtually over the internet, so that data can be sent securely. And if you look at the exhibit regarding the SSL VPN that we have right here, we have the user sending data over the internet, and the data go to the corporate firewall, and the user can securely access data located on the corporate firewall. SSL implementation, we have two companies that are major players in SSL VPN implementation. We have SonicWall with many different products that you can see on the paper, and you have Juniper Networks. To conclude, I would say that SSL VPN allows us to send encrypted data while offering the ease of use of connecting to a remote network or site through your web browser. Thank you very much. Any question?
How can SSL VPN be implemented for workers who work remotely?
Absolutely, thank you. Very good question. Yes, we can implement SSL. What you actually need on the recipient or the user side is your connection to the internet. And on the server side, you need the SSL VPN device, like from SonicWall or Juniper Networks. Does that answer the question?
Yes.
Thank you very much, and thank you to a wonderful audience.